Our brother wey they call Maazi Dibia have blast Uche Mefor over the talk wey talk concerning the adopt of Matthias. This our brother wey they call Maazi Dibia don go ahead and say that Uche Mefor talk like say he know wetin happen to Matthias. He say upon say they think to follow am for this matter when they talk recently, but right now he don't pour himself for drano. No be small thing. No, we go find out how this thing take happen and how it take talk am. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. As una know say yesterday, a breaking news come say they don't arrest Matthias. Later they say na kidnap because they said there's no destination or whereabout we ain't go. As that one they happen, and now they come talk say that Uche Mefor come outside immediately come talk and say Matthias he dey preach hate for Christianity. They try to fight against Christianity for Igbo land. As you take talk that thing finish, talk so many things wey we go play you for this video. Now this our brother wey they call Maazi Dibia come blast am, tell am say why you go talk that kind thing. He say that so many things, even pastors don't talk against the Omenala people, and nobody give the Omenala people justice. So why he go come outside come say him brother? However, let us go and watch the wetin Uche Mefor talk, and we go still play you wetin this our brother will be Maazi Dibia tell Uche Mefor. Let's watch the two videos together, but let's watch Uche Mefor own first. Stay tuned and watch this video.
Kepu about the arrest of Matthias. Before they ask get the basalum there. Only if a basalum there. First of all, I have to say my position on certain issues that have been going on. In arresting Matthias for whatever reason, his human rights and freedom of speech must be balanced against his human rights and freedom of speech of others. Very important. Everybody has a right to say their opinion, to point out issues of concern to him or to her. But in doing that as well, every other person has his or her own right to do whatever they feel that is not inimical to the progress of others. This is my second time that I will be addressing the issue of religious bigotry, hate speech, incitement against ordinary people or other people. The first time I did that was regarding IPOB, before it was turned into IPONK, Indigenous People of Nnamdi Kanu. I spoke about religious bigotry, hate speech, and the rest of it. A lot of people called me names, but today, that hate speech, that religious bigotry has destroyed that particular organization beyond repair. Because you cannot say that you want to solve a problem and at the same time hypocritically come with your own problem and pretending to be finding solution. It's not going to work. So let me go back to the reason why I'm making this all-important broadcast. Matthias Nando Tue nwelu right oboke n'olu ha ikwu ihe. It is in their right to say what they want to say, that they feel that is inimical to the progress of the society. However, in doing that, they must balance the right that they feel they have against the right of others to also express themselves. And that is where it borders on religious bigotry, religious fanaticism, hate speech, and incitement against others. Matthias Ezak, omenani bụ eziokwu, alụ na ana n'Igbo. My impression of what they are doing is one of bringing half-truths and turning it into something else. They're pointing out what they feel is not good in the society, at the same time introducing their own ill behaviors and conduct in the same society that you want to liberate. That is hypocrisy at the end of the day. So, ife Matthias na ndị otu ya na-eme bụ insight ịkpọkọta ndị si na ha na-eje ụka, kpọkọta ndị si na ha bụ ndị omenani, akụkọta ha isi ọnụ, ọ bịarọ igbo ọgụ kama ọ na-eweta nsogbu ọzọ, nsogbu ga-destroy ya n'Igbo more than any other thing. If you have come to find a solution, then focus and get that solution introduced and make sure that it is for the benefit of everyone. But don't come and begin to incite people against one another. The mission of omenani bụ eziokwu, alụ na ana n'Igbo bụ attack on Christianity, and then in promotion of traditional religion. And then, unknown to these people, they are preaching to the converted. I am a Christian, but I also believe in our tradition. Not everything that is done in Christianity that I accept. At the same time, not everything that is done along the line of our tradition that I accept. And I'm always vocal in saying whatever I need to say when necessary. The reason why the church is not perfect, Christianity is not perfect, and then our traditional religion, omenani, ordinani, is not perfect, is because the custodians are human beings who are also fallible. They are not infallible. They are not perfect. And then it is inconceivable that anybody who knows that is not perfect will come to claim perfection and then impose it on others, and by force, by fire, by force, and the rest of it. It is unacceptable. Put differently, where your human right starts or ends is where where your human rights end is where another person's human rights starts.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched Uche Mefor's statement concerning the arrest of Matthias Ezak, so I'm also going to play you this video coming from Maazi Dibia for you to watch the answer, the reply he gave to Uche Mefor as well. Let's watch the video together.
Uche Mefor kenekwange akambofa Maazi Dibia ojinkuzi emoji akaji ofaro fonye nando. After my video email on Matthias Ezak, it's na Matthias Ezak na incite hate speech on Christianity and the Christians. Uche Mefor, it's quite saddening that a person of your intellectual ability is sounding this empty and porous. ọ dị m mwuterie nne na nta onye dị ka gị a na-ekiri bịa na-acha ntụntụ. Iwe o ji wuo m iwe o ji wute m bụ na ọgụ nwa bụ Uche Mefor. You don't know the number of youths you've been inspiring, but sounding like this is quite despicable. Now, first of all, Uche Mefor, let me give you history. Number one, n'ala Igbo, n'ala Igbo ka mmadụ nwere ike ịnị obi jee na bia compose egwu wax ya na studio gụọ dị egwu oge elugo mgbe ekwensu ji aba n'onu n'ọnwụ. Ekwensu kpọọ isi n'ala. Kedu anụ mpamagụlụ egwu a daa n'ike? It's as a result that now we don't know who we are, and people can make mess of our pantheons and cosmology and every other thing that has to do with the Igbo identity, and they will go scot-free. Na Igbo ka na-eme Nollywood movie. Pastor yeje na shrine speak ide in tongue with ordinary Bible printing na China. Shrine enwụla ọkụ, esu okwu alụsị ọkụ, gbaa arọbụ na-agụ ọkụ, mebie ọrụ ọkala. N'ala Igbo ka eji ekwensu egwu. N'ala Igbo ka eji Amadioha udo ogbugbu na arọbụ na-agụ ndị ọzọ niile ma kwali ọmụ egwu. But I've never had you, Uche Mefor, incite or conclude that ndị a na-enwe hate speech against omenala Igbo, which is your identity. Mana give Uche Okafor Mefor wee nie obi that somebody who is trying to emancipate our people in his own knowledge, maka na ada amacha ihe amacha, he went see obi wee sị na Matthias is doing religious bigotry and non incite hate speech. Uche Mefor, I want to tell you this night in Edalia, and I don't care how you would receive it. Unu no obodo Igbo na-efeel unu ka anyị nwa nọ Nigeria malefe ma ọ bụ unu ka anyị gụọ akwụkwọ dị exposed. But it's quite saddening na ọ dịgo obvious na nwere ihe unu chi. Hypocrisy kun na-eme and one-sided storytelling. Ka iwe bụla ezigbo onye ụka ka iji n'obi bata na social media lee nwanne gị tọlọtọlọ. Uche Mefor Edalia, ihe nji sọ side a n'ala Igbo n'ọnụ be anyị bụ ka ọ bụrụ sọ ntị na-anụ Igbo ya anụ ya. Uche Mefor, ị ga-agbakwanụ mbọ ka ị gee ntị n'onu, gee ntị n'ime mmụọ, gee ntị na ndị ichie gị, gee ntị ka ị nụrụ ife ndị aka akwụ na ndị eto obi na-agwa gị. Uche Mefor Edalia, ọkwa na onye na-eti mkpu ka ana Igbo dị mma ka akpụrụ bịa ebe akpụrụ kpụrụ ya ka onye ori na omelụ gịnị na ọ sị ndị be anyị ka anyị malụ ụzọ be nna anyị ka ị malụ nna gị ochie. Omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na ndụ. Ịkpọ ya religious bigotry. Fada ọ na-ejego na shrine gbaa ya ọkụ. Igwe ndị Ekwulọbịa gbara ọlụlụ eko Ekwulọbịa ọkụ. He did not say he is inciting religious war. Akụtugo alụsị Isuọfịa. He did not say they are inciting religious war. But Matthias is advocating and campaigning. He's advocating and campaigning for the Mandi Igbo through understanding omenala. It's not now incite religious war. Because Uche Mefor, take that video down ka ime formal apology to ndị ichie gị. Ọ dị ka ife na-agwa ndị Nollywood, onye ọbụla na-agba mbọ ka omenala Igbo naa n'iyi ya nalụkwanụ ntaramahụhụ ya. Adịbakwakwa nga ọdụ nna adụ ndị ọzọ. Uche Mefor, ikwutara okwu ahụ ikwu. Yes, you might not like the approach Matthias is using. Onye ọbụla na-eme ka ọbụla ara. But when you are talking and if you say that no hate speech, bidogo na ndị pastor bụ ụzọ nọ na pulpit na-abụ arụb na-ayọ ọnụ, arụb na-agụ ọnụ. Bidogo ụzọ gwaba ndị pastor anyị niile ndị na-ekwu okwu ụwa megide ihe niile bụ ọdịnala Igbo, our identity. Uche Mefor ịdakwa n'okwu a mana ị chọrọ ikweta na ịdara ya. Ọkwa maka mgbe talimafọ ya ebido kwunu ya lesi na m agwara gị agwa. Ịdala okwu anyị ikwu. When we are striving to emancipate our people from mental slavery and neo-colonialism, all the very difficult and the tax of Onyeme. Maazi Dibia have invested my resources and energy to do that. But all means. But saying that Nihai Nemabu religious war is hypocrisy because no Nwabondo Kabidolia. A whole lot of youth is looking up to you. That video speak less of you. Wait to that video, Uche Mefor. That one.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear wetin this our brother tell Uche Mefor. My people, no be small thing o. I want make you leave your own contribution and your own opinion for on the comment section of this video, so that we go know wetin be your own opinion, wetin this our brother talk and wetin Uche Mefor talk. So let's talk about this video in comment section. Please share this video and make sure that you are following this page for more updates. Here we're updating you of everything wey dey happen. Okay, my people, stay tuned for the next update and make sure say you share this video, very important.